happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jane! Ready, begin. Okay, again. Happy birthday, Jane! At the same time and all together. Three happy birthdays. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, and one very big happy birthday, Jane. Ready, begin. And what did you tell your classmates' birthday, girl? Okay, once again, let's all clap our hands for our birthday girl, Jane Lorcel B. Macalino. And before we start the partner games, of course, Jane will blow her candle first.
Okay,
Where is Mommy? Mommy, come here po. Okay, ako